If you're trying to figure out how to log out of Practice Better in Zapier, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do that. But stick around, because by the end, I'll also show you some alternatives that might be even better for your needs. Let's dive in. First things first, Zapier and Practice Better are great tools for streamlining your workflows, but sometimes you need to know how to disconnect or log out of the integration. To start, open your Zapier account and head over to your dashboard. If you're already logged in, great. If not, make sure to log in before continuing. Next thing, in the left sidebar of the Zapier dashboard, click on My Apps. This is where all your connected apps, like Practice Better, will be listed. You'll want to find Practice Better in the list of your connected apps. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar to find it faster. The third thing, once you've found Practice Better, click on it. This will take you to a page with details about your connection to the app. Look for the Disconnect button. That's the key here. Clicking Disconnect will log you out of Practice Better in Zapier and remove the integration from your Zapier account. Now, before you go, let's talk about a couple of things. If you ever need to reconnect Practice Better to Zapier, you can do so by following a very similar process. Simply go to My Apps, find Practice Better, and click Connect to relink it with your Zapier account. It's super simple. The fourth thing, while Practice Better is great for managing your practice, you may want to consider other platforms depending on your needs. For example, while Zapier integration with Practice Better is convenient, it can sometimes feel a little limiting if you're trying to automate beyond the basics. Now, here's a quick tip. If you're looking for a more robust solution, you might want to explore other options like Acuity Scheduling or Calendly. These platforms offer similar integrations, but may have more flexibility and options for customization. If you're interested, I'll include links to some of the best alternatives in the description. Before you go, I want to mention that we've secured an exclusive and extended free trial for the Practice Better platform through our link in the description. However, I've also included some incredible alternatives that may better serve your goals, and they also come with free trials. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out those exclusive deals.